Dear friends, today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful piece of art from Gina DeLuca. It's called Arctic Blast. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on my fluid art and mixed media channel. It's great to have you here. A big thank you to all my Patreon and YouTube channel members as well. I really appreciate you. So I recently bid on an auction for a Gina DeLuca original piece of art, and here it is. I can't wait to unbox this. It arrived, it's a very large box, and I was super excited to start opening this up and seeing it face to face. Yeah, shall we? So I'm being super careful so as not to damage it, and using the scissors. It's packaged quite well actually. Now most of you in the pouring world or fluid art world will know Gina DeLuca. She's an amazing artist, she's got an amazing channel and she does beautiful acrylic pours, so do check her out if you don't know already. So I was so happy to win this piece in auction. It's a Fibonacci spiral straight pour with cloud effect, and I can't wait to see those boulder cells. So as I said, it's packaged super well and wedged right in so it doesn't move, and there's a little envelope in here, so really excited. It's written to me, Taslima, and it's titled Arctic Blast. Wow, a lovely card. And it says, Taslima, thank you for your purchase of Arctic Blast. I greatly appreciate your patronage. And that's from Gina DeLuca. How exciting! And I can't wait! It's a lovely little card, isn't it? So let's have a look at this Arctic Blast, shall we? So we've got the Glassy Gnar, Gina DeLuca, her business card here to show you that. And some stuff to hang it with, which is great. Oh, I can't wait to see this. I'm so excited. Let's have a look at this painting. And now I'm just going to open this up. I'll tell you how excited I am. And the keep the packaging is always useful, isn't it, when you're posting things. We've got that. And then we've got another layer as well. And I'm so super excited for this. Oh my goodness, this is super exciting. Is it silicone? Should we have a quick look?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a red number going round and round.
A red number?
Red number ticking. There should be a red number. A number that's...
Where?
Is it like a red?
A red circle with
Yeah.
white numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in there. I'll tell you when it goes.
It's time to open this up. Lovely. Okay. Ooh, this is looking good. So we have got this painting and it's looking fantastic. It's got Arctic Blast and her signature on the back, which is amazing. And I can't wait to see it. Let's have a look. What does it look like? I can't wait to see. How does that look? Wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, Sophia?
I like it.
I love it. What do you think? This is what an artist, a famous artist in America did for me. And she sent it over on post. I bought it. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it? Well, where can we hang it, love? Where do you think this would go? So this is the final artwork. So I hope you can see it close up. How gorgeous it actually is in person. Guys, here's the piece that I received from Gina DeLuca. It's absolutely gorgeous.